Jabroni's like, what did that guy just say? A self-prophesied transfer? Glad I found you. Maybe not. All right, here we go. We got a baseball 2-box break, limited hit parade 005. Let's roll through the team owners. We got Diamondbacks, Marty. Atlanta, Will C. Baltimore, Will C. Boston, Dash. Chicago, Wit. White Sox, Drew. Red, Spears. Indian, Stickman. Rockies, Maxime. DET, Stickman. Houston, Dash. Royals, Marty. Angels, Will C. Dodgers going to Facalio. Let's see. We got Marlins going to Penzito. Looking for the Christian Yelich, 9-5-10. Brewers, J-Tac. Twins, Maxime. Mets, Patrick. Yankees, Kostler. Oaktown, Will. Phillies, Layton. Pirates, J-Tac. Padres, D-Jack. Giants, Will C. Mariners, J-Tac. Cardinals, J-Tac. Tampa, Willie C. Texas, Dash. Toronto, Scotty. And Nationals, Goldie. Guerrero Jr. Where the heck did you guys go? Jeez. Oh, I called this last night. He is not on the partial. This is the player I called last night. I said, you never know, you might get this guy. We got a Bowman first auto for Oaktown, AJ Puck. Bowman first. We got some potential Pimp Daddy status. Thank you, Wiles. One of Caputo's favorite players. Little $5 card. Not bad for 5 bones. It's an awesome hit. Bowman first. Hey, get it graded for that matter. I'd send it in. Yeah, I'd send that in. Oaktown. Going to Will. Oh, 7 bones? Very good for 7 bones. Actually, ended up going for 5 bones. And we got a Classics Donruss auto /99 Garrett Cole. New York Yankees, I'm assuming. Got the black hat. I don't know. Is this a good card or is this kind of eh? Unlicensed. I don't know. What do you think? This may be the worst card of the case. What do you guys think? No, the A's were 7. Put them down to 5. I'm not sure about this card, but Yankees is Kostler. Is that right, Kostler? Yeah. So, AJ, great card. Bowman first. I would send it in. And Garrett Cole. I don't know if Garrett might be the toughest card we've had out of the case so far. I'm not sure. But I don't know enough about that guy, so. All right, thank you guys. We'll get it uploaded ASAP. Appreciate